this is Knit Again, and for those of you who are watching our social media will know that we are now stocking Urth Yarns, and this is one of their offerings that we're stocking, the Gradient Kits. Now they come in some lovely, lovely colours. This lovely fuchsia pink, and as you can see, dark and like some speckles, and to the lighter pinks. And they also have greys and the bright yellows, the greens and the blues. And it also comes with a pattern, which is the garden trellis shawl. And to be honest with you, I think it would be quite a doable project for a novice to intermediate knitter. It's knit on the bias, and it'll be actually a fun knit, as you can see with the way that the colours gradually shade from light to dark. So definitely, if you have anybody in mind coming up for the C word, dare we mention that, the Christmas, so you're getting all your presents together early like everybody else seems to be, then this would be a lovely present to think about. Okay, so the Merino Gradients, 100% superwash merino from Urth Yarns. Thank you.